Hey everyone, if Scribd previews are not showing up for documents or books, this guide will help you fix it step by step. Yeah, the issue is usually caused by loading problems, browser settings, or app glitches. First, refresh the page if you're on a browser, or close and reopen the Scribd app on your phone. Temporary loading bugs can sometimes stop previews from appearing correctly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow Wi-Fi or weak mobile data can prevent preview files from loading completely. If you're using Scribd in a browser, try disabling ad blockers or privacy extensions. Some extensions can block scripts that Scribd needs to display previews. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies, or clear the Scribd app cache on Android devices. So this removes old temporary files that may be causing display issues. Now check for updates. Yeah, outdated browsers or older versions of the Scribd app can sometimes break preview loading features. If previews still don't appear, try opening Scribd in another browser or on a different device. This helps confirm whether the problem is device-specific. And finally, check if Scribd is experiencing server issues. Sometimes preview services go down temporarily, especially during maintenance or outages. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should help bring Scribd previews back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.